Buenos dias, everyone, but also a sad dias because it is our last day here at the resort. We're gonna go check out the gift shop and buy a few souvenirs, and then we're gonna have the perfect last day. Tori and I decided to spend our last day at the resort by hitting up the gift shop before spending the morning at the beach. We came back from lunch and we are now on our way to the water park for one last time. Let's do this. After enjoying some thrilling slides at one of the Caribbean's largest water parks, we decided to spend the rest of our afternoon enjoying some drinks and keeping cool in the pool over by Grand Memories Splash. It's our last night of entertainment, so we are gonna go to the Social Plaza to watch the pirate show. We are so excited, but also a little sad since it's our last show, but we are gonna have so much fun. Let's do it.
aplauso.
We just got back from the Social Plaza where we saw a pirate show that was super fun. Then after that, all of the performers and the Vibe team came out and we had a little dance party, and it was the perfect way to end off our trip. The whole day was packed. We did a whole bunch of stuff, the water park, the beach, the show, but yeah, it was a perfect ending to our best friend's trip. And now tomorrow we go home. I'll probably connect with you guys in the morning before we leave, but other than that, that's it. Good morning. We are leaving very soon. In less than an hour, we're gonna go check out. So sad, but we had an amazing week. Our best friend's trip was definitely a success. It was a lot of fun. Oh, but we're gonna miss this place so much. But oh well, you know what? We had an awesome week. We can't really complain. Before we go, we're gonna do a little room tour. This is our balcony out here. So we had a table and some chairs, as well as a drying rack for our bathing suit and towels. And then we just had our 2 beds here. We also had a little coffee station and dresser drawers. Also a TV where you could order room service, watch TV shows, and also check the entertainment schedules on. A little side table over there. And if you go over here, oh, Victoria's coming back. That's the bathroom in there, pretty standard. And then we had a little room for the safe. So yeah, that's the room. This is where we were for the past week. Now we're leaving. Victoria, what are your thoughts?
I'm so sad.
Yeah, retweet and relate. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna be checking out soon. All right, we'll catch up with you later. After talking about it all through high school and the last 2 years of college, Tori and I finally went on our best friend's trip. Between the friendly staff, the beach, the pool, the water park, the excursion, everything just added up for an amazing week. We were sad to go, but like I said, we really can't complain. We had such an awesome time. We would definitely consider going back to the Grand Memories again. But in the meantime, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and all that wonderful YouTube stuff. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video from my latest adventures. And of course, always remember, the adventure is calling.